Unit 90. All, every, and whole. A. All and everybody, everyone. We do not normally use all to mean everybody, everyone. Everybody had a great time at the party, not all enjoyed. But we say all of us, all of you, all of them. All of us had a great time at the party, not everybody of us. B. All and everyone, everything. Sometimes you can use all or everything. I'll do all I can to help, or I'll do everything I can to help. You can say all I can, all you need, but we do not normally use all alone. He thinks he knows everything, not he knows all. Our holiday was a disaster. Everything went wrong, not all went wrong. But you can say all about. He knows all about computers. We also use all, not everything, to mean the only things. All I have eaten today is a sandwich. The only thing I have eaten today. Every, everybody, everyone, everything, or singular words. So we use a singular verb. Every seat in the theater was taken. Everybody has arrived, not have arrived. But we use they, them, their, after everybody, everyone. Everybody said they enjoyed themselves. Everybody enjoyed himself or herself. The whole and all, whole, complete, entire. Most often we use whole with singular nouns. Did you read the whole book? All the book, not just a part of it. Emily has lived her whole life in the same town. I was so hungry I ate a whole packet of biscuits, a complete packet. We use the, my, her before whole. Compare whole and all. Her whole life, but all her life. We do not commonly use whole with uncountable nouns. We say, I have spent all the money you gave me, not the whole money. E. Every, all, whole with time words. We use every to say how often something happens. Every day, every Monday, every 10 minutes, every 3 weeks. When we were on holiday, we went to the beach every day, not all days. The bus service is excellent. There's a bus every 10 minutes. We do not see each other very often, about every 6 months. All day, the whole day, the complete day from beginning to end. We spent all day, the whole day on the beach. Dan was very quiet. We didn't say a word all evening, the whole evening. Note that we say all day, not all the day, all week, not all the week. Compare all the time and every time. They never go out. They are at home all the time, always, continuously. Every time I see you, you look different each time on every occasion. Unit 90 Exercises 90.1 Complete these sentences with all, everything, or everybody, everyone. It was a good party. Everybody had a great time. All I have eaten today is a sandwich. Everybody, everyone has their faults. Nobody's perfect. Nothing has changed. Everything is the same as it was. Kate told me all about her new job. It sounds quite interesting. Can everybody write their names on a piece of paper, please? Why are you always thinking about money? Money isn't everything. I didn't have much money with me. All I had was 10 pounds. When the fire alarm rang, everyone left the building immediately. Sarah didn't say where she was going. All she said was that she was going away. We have completely different opinions. I disagree with everything all she says. We all did well in the exam. Everyone in our class passed. We all did well in the exam. All of us passed. Why are you so lazy? Why do you expect me to do everything for you? Antidote 2. Write sentences with whole. I read the book from beginning to end. I read the whole book. Everyone in the team played well. The whole team played well. Paul opened the box of chocolates. When he finished eating, there were no chocolates left in the box. We ate the whole box of chocolates. The police came to the house. They were looking for something. They searched everywhere, every room. They searched the whole house. Everyone in Ed and Jane's family plays tennis. Ed and Jane play, and so do all their children. The whole family plays tennis and worked from early in the morning until late in the evening. And she worked the whole day. Jack and Lisa had a week's holiday by the sea. It rained from the beginning of the week to the end. It rained the whole week. Now write sentences 6 and 7 again using all instead of whole. And worked all day. It rained all week. 90.3. Complete these sentences using every week the following: 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 4 hours, 6 months, 4 years. The bus service is very good. There is a bus every 10 minutes. Tom is ill. He has some medicine. He has to take it every 4 hours. The Olympic Games take place every 4 years. We live near a busy airport. A plane flies over our house every 5 minutes. Martin goes to the dentist for a checkup every 6 months. 90.4. Which is the correct alternative? I have spent all the money you gave me. All the money is correct. Sue works every day, all day, except Sunday, every day. I'm tired. I have been working hard all day. It was a terrible fire. The whole building was destroyed. The whole building. I have been trying to contact her. 90.4, which is the correct alternative. I have spent the whole money, all the money you gave me. All the money is correct. Sue works every day, all day except Sunday, every day. I'm tired. I have been working hard all the day, all day, all day. It was a terrible fire. The whole building was destroyed. The whole building. I have been trying to contact her, but every time I've phoned, there's no answer. Every time. I don't like the weather here. I change every time, all the time, all the time. When I was on holiday, all my whole luggage was stolen.